Welcome to our Wednesday live shopping. So I'm gonna get started with this Tirtir Eye Crem. There is this applicator. Do you see the metal applicator right here? You are keeping this one in the refrigerator. It gives you the cool sensation. It's a very light cream. That's why this is here. Gently rub it on your eye area. So like whenever you have the forehead, eye area, and smile line has the metal applicator. So it's kind of better than just rubbing with your hand. Look at the glow. So if you are suffering from those eye bags and dark circles, so this one removes the eye bags and also bright up our eye area. So when you're going away, you can just carry this one in your pouch and you're good to go. Lomel Dough Mask is it's actually helping for collagens to be synthesized. Here, the spatula is contained. Look at this, right? When it dries, you can tell it's like a dough, collagen synthesized and giving full of the proteins which generate the cells. The Stemelin, you see the roller? It just rolls on our skin by itself, so it gets not messy. So that's so great about this. Like EGF, FGF, that's the full of the anti-aging and the brightening, hydrating glow. Thank you everyone, and I'll meet you next Wednesday. Okay, bye bye everyone, bye.